Derek, how are you doing? You want to buy a suitcase?
Once from the Rosalie a suitcase.
Oh, Bumbo. So which one you can buy? You have to buy one that fits our body?
The one that
That's too little, man. That's too little. You have to buy two of them.
Two of them for Rosalie? The Rosalie will buy a suitcase for you.
Because that suitcase, I'm going to carry go foreign. She have visa?
But you have two big green ones that shall labor, right?
Oh, you want no shell labor, right? Eh?
A big one like this.
My big one like that, bear.
They are done with Rosalie.
Alright.
So people on TikTok, they are done with Rosalie a suitcase. Rosalie take out a passport book. So she see two and a barrel. And when a Panama, she see one go. So she suitcase for Rosalie.
So uncle, go buy the ticket?
No, sir. Yes, because it's a lot.
Oh, yeah, Gary does a suitcase. Alright.